Welcome back. We've had a lot of requests for ramen with a microwave. So that's what we'll do today. We'll get started. We're going to use the chicken flavored ramen, and I'll just break that package up into quarters. We'll take the soup packet out for now, and we're going to put this right into our bowl. And let's put in about a cup of water. And you're going to want to use a bowl that has a cover on it, because we want to retain that heat. And what we're going to do is we're going to start this at 6 minutes. And as the ramen is cooking, we'll be adding some ingredients. So the first ingredient we'll add will be the egg for the egg drop soup. So let's grab an egg. And what we'll do is we'll just scramble this egg up. Chopsticks are great for scrambling eggs. Just get that till it's well mixed. So our noodles have been heating up for about a minute now. So we'll just take these out. They're beginning to warm up. And I'll just turn those over, make sure that they get all submerged. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to just kind of distribute the egg along the top of the soup. And we'll put that back up there. And once this keeps cooking, what will happen is those eggs will poach. So let's get the next ingredient out of the refrigerator. It's going to be some sweet Maine shrimp. This is Maine shrimp season, which is very limited in Maine now. But you'll see they're much smaller, but they have a really nice sweet flavor. So I'm just going to give these a quick rinse. You can get these fresh. You can also get them frozen. There you go. And we'll put these guys right into the soup. We'll take a look here, and you can see the egg is kind of blended in. It's beginning to cook. So let's put in our shrimp. Adds a nice flavor. Just put that right back in. We'll start that right back up. Our next ingredient is going to be some fresh baby spinach. And we're going to put this in right at the end. But let me just cut that up right now. And we'll just take a small handful. And we'll just shred that. Now before I add the spinach, You'll remember I did not add the soup packet. A lot of people have requested something besides the chemical-laden soup packet. So what I have found works quite well is a product called Better Than Bouillon. And what's great about Better Than Bouillon is it doesn't contain any MSG. And it doesn't contain any strange chemicals as well. It's an all-natural product. So I'm going to use about a teaspoon. And this has really heated up. In fact, it's so warm, I'm not going to even try to pick that up right now. This is just about cooked. And I'm just mixing in the bouillon. And I'm going to put in our spinach. We're just going to wilt that very quickly. We'll just start that up. So as you can see, even though I've got that in for the 6 minutes, it's really pretty much done. Probably in the next probably 10 or 15 seconds. So let's take a look at this. And what you'll notice is that I put this on a saucer in the microwave because as that soup heats up, it actually does boil over. And so the spinach is all nicely wilted. There's the egg has poached, and the shrimp is all set. And the bowl is actually too hot for me to pick up. However, the noodles and the shrimp and the egg are all cooked. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time.